Hello homeowner, I want to show you our RELIABILT 3500 series vinyl double hung window. Although this is not our top performing window, you still get a substantial bang for your buck with this product. I focus on two things when I present a vinyl double hung window. Number one is design pressure rating, and number two, air infiltration. Design pressure is indicative of the strength of a window, its structural performance, its quality and durability, which is all important things to consider when you're making this investment. I cover air infiltration for one really important reason. By and large, you're considering having your windows replaced because you're concerned about energy efficiency or energy cost at some level. When we look at how windows are measured or scored in terms of energy efficiency, they look at four things: the NFRC rating of the window. It looks at U value, solar heat gain coefficient, visible light transmittance, and air infiltration. And of those four, the only one you have any idea probably what it is air infiltration. Because it resonates, it makes sense. That's why I cover air infiltration. So I'm only going to cover the things with this window that either raise the structural performance or lower the air infiltration rating. And I'm going to start with the master I-beam frame on the product. When I say I-beam, what do you think about? You think about bridge embankments or skyscrapers. This window is designed to carry much more of its own weight. Very strong, very durable. One of the key reasons why we get such a high design pressure rating. Number two, I'll hit the aluminum reinforcement in our meeting rails. You get a lot of rigidity in the meeting rails, very little deflection. Really helps with the air infiltration, really helps with the structural performance. We use a dual durometer glazing bead on this product. That's a rubberized gasket at the end of the glazing bead. We could put a regular hard plastic glazing bead in a product. Many other window manufacturers do, but it's not good enough for our RELIABILT line of windows. This dual durometer glazing bead gives two key benefits. Number one is aesthetics. That glazing bead gets put in there, the rubberized gasket seals the glass, and from an aesthetic standpoint, it looks almost like that glass is siliconed in there. It's not, but it gives it that appearance. And the second benefit is when that rubberized gasket sucks to that glass, it really helps with the air infiltration rating. And then weather stripping, lastly. I like to say with our products that we put the right weather stripping in the right location. Any place we have vinyl that pushes against vinyl, we have a compression weather stripping. In any place we have vinyl rubbing against vinyl, we have a wool pile or a friction weather stripping. It's very important to have the right weather stripping in the right locations for maximum energy efficiency. There are 16 points of contact with this product, from weather stripping to vinyl. You don't find that many points of contact in a lot of products at this level. Those are a few of the things about the window that help you understand why the design pressure rating is high and the air infiltration is low. And now you're probably asking yourself, well, what is the design pressure rating, or what is the air infiltration rating of the product? With this product, depending on what options you put in it, you could have anywhere from a design pressure 35 to a design pressure of 50. That's a very high number for a product in this level of quality. Very high. The air infiltration rating of this product is 0.11 CFM, cubic feet per minute. In order to get the AMA label on your window, you have to be at a 0.30 CFM. There is 172% less air comes through this product than AMA allows in their specification. At its price point, it is a very high design pressure and a very low air infiltration rating. Hey, you guys got a big decision to make, got a lot of things going through your head, I'm sure. And you probably have some questions about the product or questions about the options that I haven't been able to answer in a short video. So please, reach out to your Lowe's in-home sales consultant, and they will go through the product in more detail, in more depth, answer any question you may have. Hey, best of luck with this decision. Thanks for considering us. Have a great day.